Welcome back to Rock It Don't Stock It, and today we're going to look at the Nike Air Skylon II.
Come on.
Okay, so let's get straight into it with these. I'll start with the eggplant colorway and we'll take a better look at the solar red in a little bit. The upper consists of this felt material, which is around the shoe, around here, so all on the panels, and then we've got the mesh in here with the gradient of the eggplant into the emerald blue color. We've got mesh on the toe, we've got a mesh tongue with the embroidered Nike Air, and we've got embroidered Nike Air in the aubergine colour on the back, or eggplant. So Air Skylon II on the heel in that print, which is pretty slick, and the swoosh finishes it off in leather material, and midsole is an air midsole, and outsole your standard rubber outsole as you see on your Nikes, finished with some flat white laces, and on the inside insole, which is that same eggplant colour with the emerald blue Nike International logo, which is pretty slick as well. The lining inside the shoe is a soft wool, which is pretty nice. It's really comfortable. I can see it bubbling over time though, so keep that in mind if you wear them a lot. And then we've got recrafted on that little tab, if you can see it in the inside of the shoe, little neon yellow sort of colour. So yeah, that's the shoe. Originally released in 1992. A lot of people have been waiting on these to come back, me being one of them. It's a rarity to find 1992 pairs, especially in wearable condition. So it's awesome seeing these back and retroed. So we'll have a quick look at the solar red one as well while we're at it. So same material used, except just a different variation in colour. So we've got the leather swoosh, this time is in this dark purple, and then we've got the purple gradient on the mesh into that solar red. Same colour felt around the upper. On the back we've got Nike Air embroidered in that purple again, and we've got Air Skylon II in that neon red or solar red. And the inside is lighter purple with the Nike International logo, and we've got the purple on the tongue, same mesh tongue, and we've got the same recrafted little tag in there, if you can see that. Outsole, we've just got that little addition of the infrared or neon red colour on the front, which is cool. As colourways go, I was torn in between the two. I went for both because I wasn't not gonna get the eggplant colour, just because it's just the original. Then this one, I just think it looks real nice as well, especially as it's summer, well, summer-ish out here. So fitting wise, they do fit true to size. Well, for me they do. I think a lot of people were saying they fit slightly small, but I felt they fit true to size and they fit pretty good. The inside wool, as I said earlier, that adds a bit of padding, so that might be something to have a look at or try on before you buy them. Retail pricing, which is really fair. I think this is probably the most reasonable pricing we see recently from Nike. Usually we see all those 100s, 150s coming out. So £85 per pair, which is very reasonable. These are a must-have in your collection. If you don't have a pair, look into buying a pair if you can find them. I think they have sold out in quite a few places. You might be able to find your size out and about if you're lucky. Overall, well made. There are I can say that there are 0 flaws on each pair. I've had a good look at both of them. No factory flaws at all, which is surprising and a relief, if I've got to be honest. Yeah, 2 very nice pairs. There's a yellow colorway coming out soon. I think it's towards the end of the month. So rather than where the solar red is, it'll be a lighter yellow, and I think there'll be an orange here, something like that. That's going to be coming out too, which is pretty nice as well. Oh yeah, one last thing. This felt is a pain in the ass to keep clean, you know. This felt is it's going to be a pain in the to keep it clean. I've actually had to use, but no joke, I've had to use my lint roller to get the dust off it after looking at these 2-3 times, and I only wore them for like 5 minutes. So yeah, keep that in mind. Double up. Alright, so that's all we got to say about these. I'd say they're an awesome pair for the summer, and you should pick them up 100% if you haven't already. I'll be throwing up the on-foot video straight after this. Be sure to like and subscribe. Let us know what you think of the video or this pair in the comments below, and give me a follow on Instagram at rocket.stockit. I'll be throwing up some pictures of these, little on-foot pictures if you want to have a look at that. But I'll catch you guys on the next video. That's it. Peace.